Hey hustlers, Miles here. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I want to discuss the truth about running a successful Etsy store. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Hustle Endeavor. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I help entrepreneurs build successful long-term income streams online for more money, more freedom, and a better future. And currently, we're all working on building our Etsy stores up. So if you need help with that, please subscribe. And quickly, before we get started, in case you haven't heard, I'm gonna be hosting a series of advanced, intensive group workshops, and I'm looking to help a small group of students who really wanna take their Etsy businesses to the next level. The goal of these workshops is to really accelerate your success with your Etsy store and get you to that next level as fast as humanly possible. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, links in the description below the video. Sign up to the early bird waiting list. Okay, let's get into it. So the truth about running a successful Etsy store is this, okay? You're gonna have to learn to say no more than you say yes, okay? Now this is gonna sound counterintuitive, but quickly just let me explain. So this video was really inspired by someone I was speaking to the other day who was really feeling overwhelmed. They were kind of talking about all the different options that they thought they should be doing, and they were getting quite stressed out. They were currently trying to do 101 different things all at once, and they weren't having much success. And what I wanted to share with you today was a quote I love that really illustrates this point better than I could ever do that. And it's what Warren Buffett said, and it's a powerful life lesson, okay? And what he said was, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. So what's this got to do with Etsy? So if you want to run a top Etsy store, you're gonna have to learn to say no to a lot of different things. We're currently in a time right now where we're swamped with opportunities to make money online. Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, merch, Kindle publishing, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, the list goes on. And even within Etsy, we're swamped with opportunities, different ways to go about building your store, different methods you can use. You've got print on demand, which in my opinion is the best business model for a number of different reasons, and has worked greatly for me. You've got selling digital products. You can sell products you make yourself. You've even got sellers that are selling food on Etsy. And as an entrepreneur, we're gonna have hundreds, if not thousands, of new ideas. We want to try everything out, especially that new opportunity that someone else is getting massive results with. I've been there, but in order to make my Etsy store successful and get it to where it is now, I had to learn to say no to a lot of these things and just double down on what's working. If you really want to be successful on Etsy, and I'm not talking about making a couple of thousand dollars on there. I think that you can do a lot of things wrong and still get there. But what I'm talking about is a business that you can truly rely on, something a lot bigger, something that generates real income from you, which I know a lot of you want. I know that a lot of people that watch this channel, I know that a lot of your goals is to make $10,000 a month with Etsy. And if you want to get to that level, you're gonna have to have tunnel vision. You're gonna need to know exactly what to focus on. You're gonna need to say no to a lot of new things that catch your attention. Also that you can put your undivided attention into making your store successful. It's good to think of your Etsy store like, growing a tree. When you first open your store, you've planted the seed, okay? It's gonna require nurturing, water, light, fertilizer for it to grow until it starts to sprout and take root. Then over years, it grows tall and sturdy and gives life back to the place around it. Your Etsy store is the exact same. You give it the attention it deserves, the love, the nurturing it needs in its early days, and it will build successfully and reward you. But if you rush in the beginning and start paying attention to many other things, it's not gonna be the success you want it to be. Also, nothing happens overnight, guys. This isn't a get rich quick scheme. it's going to be a journey, so you're going to have to learn to enjoy it. Stay on course and keep going even when you get tired or distracted along the way. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope you found it useful. And again, if you're looking to specifically invest in growing a successful business using Etsy and print on demand, then as I mentioned at the start of this video, I'm going to be hosting a series of live intensive group workshops designed to accelerate your success. Again, if you're interested, please put your name on the early bird waiting list below. We've already had quite a few people join, put their name on, more than I was expecting. So if you want a place, make sure you put your name on the list. Again, if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section how you're getting on with your Etsy stores. Keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.